Former Minister and Senior Congress leader K.H. Ratan Kumar has refuted allegation levelled by BJP MLA R.K. Imo against the statement of Aicc Manipur in charge Bhakta Charan Das as baseless and unfounded. Speaking to media in this regard at Congress Bhavan BT Road, Imphal, K.H. Ratan Kumar said the statement of Bhakta Charan Das in connection with the prevailing crisis of Manipur is his personal opinion. Das's statement has nothing to do with Aicc or MPCC, and the same has been made clear by the party, adding that the statement was also taken down from his social media accounts. Ratan Kumar opined that the Congress party has been confronting any issues pertaining to disintegration of Manipur and will continue to do so. Ratan Kumar said the Congress considers it unnecessary to engage in mudslinging to this issue time and again.
Sri Bhakta Charan Das na haiba akoi Manipur gi conflict ki crisis ki matangda mane statement amma pi hi hena haibado madu akoi pi de hai gi de mana pi bodu akoi gi state ki congress tagi dugi yaning da utli haibase mase aina akoi nahan gi du zum thamjagre hai gi de haiba leite magi individual loiba akoi gi statement ni akoi AICC da su akoi khudakta akoi gi state president na akoi state congress ki leaders na wadu objection tawgrabani adugi matungda mahaksu akoi substitute tawgre haidana ye adumaina thamjage maiti mesa amu oina manipuri amu oina akoi khudin na manipur gi integrity da sokpa yaba congress party na tawgibasu leitri tawsu tawro aduna akoi gi state ki interest da we will never compromise.
MPCC Working President K.S. Devabrata said Congress supports implementation of NRC in the state. Nevertheless, the statement made by Chief Minister of NRC yesterday has confused the masses. He claimed that no relevant documents were available in the NRC website till date. It is very unfortunate from the part of BJP for portraying themselves as champion of NRC without involvement of other political parties.
NIC chana anava ekoi step lokot pa hore hairu se masi ekoi na khang debna wayam be opposition de leibana madu ekoi na information do leim dab si hai se sang ekoi khuta leite bu se toim song masi morning am song rang dang da ekoi na mari na ba government website sing information site sing de yeng ba kan da di leite election leibani na chief minister su madu election khom ba gi macha mo oi garbani na NRC chana ba hore abis gi mari leina ba government gi decision lowi ba cabinet decision lowi so assembly the pudok so natlaga MIC the minister of home affairs ke communication magi che sang tharak pale ga di praja da khangan bi ba as a responsible opposition party constitutional entity mo oi banina ekoi de so khangan bi praja pala du so khangan bi na koi na appeal tawjari